split up in the first grade. My father never did come back. My sister liked John Travolta, but I wanted Billy Jack. Throwing things off of the rooftops, 40 buildings all the same. My mother took a job as a waitress. We're swimming in the divorce age. When you're all alone, and you're all alone, and you're all alone, and you're almost grown. Well, me and Holly snuck into nightclubs, the politics of punk rock church. Hey, we were so idealistic, but somehow only saw the worst. When you're young and violent, sick inside, hopefully to be a mind, water seeks its level of pain. And you're all alone, and you're all alone, and you're all alone, and you're almost grown. Some old friends retired too. Well, they still laugh about me and you. Fuck 'em. My mother's ashes went in the ocean, scattered on a windy day. She used to like Frank Sinatra, cigarettes and JFK. While some retired, some expired, some were meant to be admired for a moment at a young age. Well, I don't care what they say, others went and got away. I just wanna see her again. When you're all alone, and you're all alone, when you're all alone, and you're almost grown. When you're all alone, when you're all alone, when you're all alone.